Hello, good day. We want to do a demonstration on the functionality of this key. Right here we have two different items. This one is the key itself. You can see the side here. It has a hole here where you put the manual key to open it, the metal key. Then we have the energy saving switch, which is an item on its own. Then we have this bulb here for illustration purposes. Now, this key is an item on its own. You may decide to have this without this, but you will enjoy the two of them when you have them together. Let me explain about the energy saving switch. This energy saving switch is a switch that controls light in a room. Now, if you issue a guest card, the guest gets to the room with the card. When the guest puts the card on this machine, like I will do now, light will come to the room. Now, if the guest takes off the card, light will go off after 15 seconds of removing the card. But let's go to the key first. This is the key. Now, you are issued with a card like this. This is what it looks like. There's a card that comes with the key. If you're issued with this card at the reception, you get to the key and you just touch it. The key comes on. Now you can turn it. If you turn it, the latch will go in, as you can see. If you turn the handle, the latch will go in. If you really leave it, it comes out. If you touch it again, it will not move unless you touch the card again. Then you can open the door and enter. Okay? Now back to the energy saving switch. When a guest now opens the door and gets into the room, the person will now put the same card he used to open the room, the key, into this energy saving switch. Now watch what will happen. Light comes into the room automatically. Now, the essence of having this energy switch for the owner of the hotel is to conserve electricity and save money for power. If you have this energy saving switch in your hotel, your guest will not abuse your light. Once the guest leaves the room, like I will take off the card now as if I'm leaving the room, watch. The light will go off after some time. Everything in the room, including the air conditioner, the lightning points, everything that uses your electricity will go off after some time of living, just as I've removed the card now. Now it's gone off automatically on its own. So one more time, let me show you how it works. If you gain access into the room, you touch the card, you open your door, then you put your card in the energy saving switch for light to come in the room. That's it. Now when you're leaving the room, you just take your card along with you and go. Then after some time, light will go off and the hotel will be able to save costs of what they pay to power holding. Thank you.